Good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to continue to work on the camper a little bit because I have the day off, so I do have some time to actually spend out here. I will say that it is cold today. It's Friday the 13th. It's like in the 30s, and just now as I set this camera up it has started sleeting, so it's a little bit of snow. I don't figure it'll last long, but that doesn't bother me. It's the cold. The cold is what's killing me right now. But I'll be inside the camper. I'm going to take the grinder and I'm going to try to finish grinding off all the bolts. I don't think it'll take long to do, so I'm excited to get it done early, and then get it ready for Samantha to go back and finish sanding whatever she's got to sand, and then go over it with some paint. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, it's cold. Whoa, okay, I thought I was done. I've got like 3 more bolts to do. I'm only going to do 2 of them because I'm leaving one for Samantha because I really want her to use this, but I've got to change the blade out. Uh-oh, again, that's the blade right now. That's how big it should be. Well, that's how big it is at the beginning, so pretty easy to do. Take my other glove off. You just got a latch right here that you press, and it holds this into place. I've got this wrench that I back out. Uh-oh. Oh, going the wrong way. So take this. Yeah, so you just unscrew this, take that blade off. Look at this. That's that blade there. It tells you, look at that. It'll be doing its job for sure. Like a champ. Oh no. It's cold. It's not as cold in here, but I've got my headphones on, so I'm just jamming out to some good 90s and early 2000s rock. So I'm just gonna get this locked back into place. Put my gloves on and finish the last couple bolts. Best friend called me up, alone and desperate on the tail. Just like that, I'm done. Woo! Hooray, I'm done. So that didn't take long at all. Really, if I would have just not procrastinated and just thought of using the grinder, that would have been done a lot earlier. So I'm done. I'm about to finish cleaning up my mess and then retire inside, because like I said earlier, it is cold. I do have some things to do inside. So Samantha can get rocking and rolling on what she needs to do tomorrow.
Okay, so I have spent the last couple of hours getting the frame prepped. I sanded everything back down, cleaned it up with the shop vac, got it all ready. But before I start using the rust-oleum on the frame, Wade left me 2 bolts, basically to see my reaction of how to use this grinder. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for that, for your enjoyment basically. So let's get to it. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm scared my hand's too close.
It's not.
I can't turn it on. I don't know how to turn it on. Do I go this way?
Alright, push it up.
Oh my gosh, that is awful. So the first one did not work very good for me. Wade had to take over. The blade was small, but I wore it down. I didn't know what I was doing. I still don't know what I'm doing, and I pray I never have to mess with one of these again because it was awful. Awful experience for me. I don't even know how to work the on and off button. So I guess I will start here, work my way up to this spot, and then come here, and then so I don't trap myself inside.
Yeah, that'd be smart.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Even with the airflow and stuff that's in here, it's just kind of... I didn't do it right. I don't know how to do this. So I'm going to stick it on like this. Is this the top or is this the bottom?
No.
Alright, so even with the windows and stuff open in here, it's still kind of sterile, so I'm going to put a mask on. It has been a super long day, longer than I expected to be out here. Luckily, it was a beautiful day. The sun was out, the sky was beautiful and blue. It wasn't too cold. I did wait until about midday to come out here because it is a little bit chillier right now, but I was able to take my sweater off and work without getting too cold. In the spots that the floor was really bad and rotted, it was more rusty than others, so I had to really get in and get some of that rust out, but I got it done, got everything cleaned up, and then put 2 coats of rust-oleum on the frame. The second coat is currently drying. I just finished that up, and yeah, I'm not gonna wait for it to dry. We will continue to work on the camper tomorrow, but this is the end of this video. If I have any touch-ups, I'll do that tomorrow. Thank you guys for following along, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!